Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of plants, animals, and smaller organisms that live, feed, reproduce, and interact with one another and their environment. An ecosystem can be defined as the basic functional unit of an environment. Within an ecosystem, a chain of interactions takes place between organisms and their environment. Ecology is the study of the relationship of living organisms with their environment. It is also called environmental biology. Each ecosystem has two components: biotic, living things like animals, plants, and microorganisms, and abiotic, light, water, air, etc., components. For example, sunlight is the source of energy for plants to carry out photosynthesis. Plants obtain nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. The carbon dioxide and nutrients are returned to the environment when living things excrete, respire, or when they die. There is a constant exchange of materials between the living and non-living things in an environment. The biotic components can be further categorized as producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers include all the green plants. Plants produce their food through the process of photosynthesis by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. During this process, energy and oxygen are released. Consumers are animals feeding on producers, plants, and other animals for their food. Consumers include herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are primary consumers and depend directly on plants for their survival. For example, cows, goats, sheep, and buffaloes, etc. Carnivores are the meat eater. They are secondary consumers feeding on primary consumers. They get food from other animals. For example, cats, dogs, lions, etc. Omnivores depend on both plants and animals for their food. For example, human beings, crows, and sparrows. Omnivores are tertiary consumers. Decomposers include saprophyte, which is fungi and bacteria that convert the dead animals and plants into fertilizers, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. They are very essential for the recycling of nutrients to be used again by the producers. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, also press the bell icon.